I'm going to need a bigger box. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my second giveaway on my YouTube channel. This is exciting. I love giving away stuff. I really do. I don't know why. I mean, I like gifting things, but there's something about a giveaway, like, it's free stuff that I know you guys are gonna like. I don't know. I love giveaways. So, this is gonna be a great giveaway. So today's giveaway is a sewing related giveaway. Obviously, we do sewing stuff on this channel. The giveaway is going to start today, January 15th, and it's going to end on January 30th. So that gives you a little over 2 weeks to enter the giveaway. Once again, I'm going to be using Gleam to host the giveaway. It's what I used in my last giveaway, and I think it worked out really well. I'll have a link down below. All you have to do is click on that link, enter your email or your Facebook, whatever you want to use to be notified if you're the winner of the giveaway, and then it'll give you a few different options so you can have multiple entries into the giveaway. This giveaway is for all my subscribers, followers on Instagram, followers on Facebook. This is for all of you guys. You guys lift me up so much, you have no idea. Besides the subscriber count, besides the numbers, the comments, the emails, the messages I get on all the platforms just saying thanks, or I like watching your videos, or I haven't sewn in 20 years, but I watched your video and now I'm sewing a bag and I'm so proud of myself. You don't understand how much that stuff means to me, and it keeps me going. The beautiful thing about this channel is that bringing you these videos was a way for me to just practice my sewing skills, but then I see how much it's helping you, and I'm opening up to you in moments of joy and in moments of sadness, and I'm getting so much more from this channel than I ever expected. This channel has given me a bigger purpose. And I know that sounds crazy because it's just a YouTube channel where I show you how to sew things, but there's something about creating something with your hands. There's something about knowing that that item never existed until you made it yourself. That joy that it brings me and the joy that it brings you, and knowing that I'm getting people who have wanted to sew for so long, started sewing, and then they're so proud of themselves for what they made. I don't know. I've done a lot of things in my life, but this has been an extremely significant moment in my life. So, giveaways are a way for me to just share that with you guys. You guys give me so much, I want to give back. So, all right, enough of the chit chat. First, the rules. You got to be 18 years or older. There you go. You live in Australia? Cool. Enter the giveaway. You live in Sweden? That's awesome. I love Sweden. You enter the giveaway. You live in South Africa? All right. I like it. Enter the giveaway. Everybody enter the giveaway. I'm going to figure out shipping. I don't know how that's going to go, but I'm going to figure it out. Just a warning. If you are in a country where you know you have to pay duties or customs or taxes fees when you pick up an international package, that's on you, okay? I don't know how much that will be. I cannot cover that cost, but I will cover shipping. I will cover everything on my end, okay? So I paid for all of these things out of my own pocket. None of this was donated. None of this is sponsored. I will cover shipping 100%. But if there is any sort of other fees, you're going to have to handle that. Just letting you know, okay? I'm going to do everything I can to mark the labels and everything properly to keep the fees as low as possible. But just a warning. All right, before we look at the goods, let me just tell you that in March of 2020, I am going to be starting a quilt block of the month. I know. A lot of you guys are bag makers. Don't worry. On the first Monday of every single month, I'm going to show you how to make a quilt block that I designed myself. I will be providing free SVG files as well as templates and a PDF pattern so that you can make this using any sort of a cutting machine or trace the items and cut them out by hand. So I'm just letting you know that's starting soon. I'm going to be posting the videos on my YouTube channel. I'll also be posting links to those on Lori Nunemaker's sewing group, and I'll have a link for her Facebook group down in the description below. Lori will be putting together alternative videos every month to go with the quilt blocks, where she shows you something else you can make with the quilt blocks besides a finished quilt. I will be making the quilt blocks along with you, and I will be doing the entire quilt. It's going to go from March of 2020 all the way around to February of 2021. I know, 2021 sounds crazy, but it was just a moment ago that 2020 sounded nuts. So everything in this giveaway really goes with that block of the month sew along. However, you can use this stuff in bags. You can use this stuff however you want. I'm just saying that when I was buying the items, I was thinking what would be best to help somebody who's participating in the block of the month sew along. All right, let's look at the goodies. First, this adorable little Cricut mini press. All right, so this thing is tiny. Hold on, let me find mine. So this one is yours. It's in the box. This one is mine. And this is what it looks like. You can see it's nice and small. It's very, very hot. It has 3 different levels of heat. I actually use it on the lowest level most of the time, and it presses my seams perfectly. But this is a great little tiny iron, especially if you have one of those seated workstations where you kind of have like your cutting and your machine and your iron like all right around you, so you don't want to have a giant iron. This little sucker is perfect, and I honestly like this way more than I thought I was going to like it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. You're going to get one of those. Next, because the block of the month sew along is a very scrappy block of the month sew along, I decided to get you guys this awesome bundle of layer cakes. So these are 10-inch squares, which is perfect for the block of the month because you're going to use a lot of different scraps, a lot of different colors, so you have all these different options. But it's also great if you're using something like a Cricut to cut it because it's going to fit perfectly on your mat. You don't have to worry about cutting down big pieces of fabric to fit on your mat. So I thought that was great. This is the Uncorked line, and it's with Windham Fabrics. Windham Fabrics is one of my absolute favorite fabric companies to buy things from. You can see it has like a metallic look, and it's just a bunch of different... Oh my God, look at that blue. I should have kept this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, oh, look at that. Look at that color. Okay. I need that. So you're getting this in addition to the iron. Next, especially if you're going to be tracing these using the templates that I provide in the PDFs, friction pens. I always give these things away because honestly, I use these every single time I sew. I love these things. Remember, don't use them on any part of the fabric that's going to be seen in the end because even though they might disappear with heat, they will come back. You only use them in seams and on the back of your fabric, but I love these suckers. So you're going to get some of those. Next, you're going to get my favorite pair of scissors. Now, these are the Tula Pink little snips. Let me grab mine. So here are mine. These are mine. I use these things all the time. I think I actually have 2 pairs, but somebody stole the other pair. So I'm going to get you some of these because these are fantastic. I use them constantly when making bags. Obviously, you don't cut your fabric, but it's just for threads. You don't think you're going to need this that much, but you do. Trust me. Once you have it, you'll use it all the time. Next, let's talk about this for a second. This is a wool pressing mat. It is an 8.5-inch square wool pressing mat. Now, I don't quite know. I think I was thinking little iron, little pressing mat. That will be fine. But then I realized all of the finished blocks for the quilts block of the month sew along are 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches finished. This is not going to cut it. So I actually just ordered you another mat. It is a 13.5 inch by 13.5 inch wool mat. You'll get that as well as this because I don't know why I thought this would be big enough. You can still find plenty of use for this, but I want you to have something that's going to be big enough for the full block. So you're going to get this and the 13.5 inch by 13.5 inch, which has not arrived yet, but it will be here soon. That's all I have to show you. Will there be more things in the box? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about adding a rotary cutter because I realize a lot of you guys don't have rotary cutters. Since I have to use a bigger box anyways, I'm probably going to add a nice acrylic ruler because again, I've seen people say they don't have clear acrylic rulers, and that is totally my mistake. When I'm showing you guys how to do something, I assume that a lot of you have the same tools that I have, and I forget that many of you don't. So I want to do my best with a giveaway to give you the very basic things you're going to need to sew, okay? I don't want you to have to go out and invest a whole bunch of money to do this. And if I could set every single one of you who doesn't have sewing supplies up with a fantastic starter package like this, I swear I would do it in a heartbeat. It's just not financially possible for me to do that yet. So that's the giveaway. If it's something you're interested in joining, like I said, the link is down below. Go ahead and click it, and it's going to give you all the steps you need to enter in multiple times into the giveaway. You have about 15 days to enter. It's international, so everybody's welcome. If you don't live on this planet, then sorry, you're not welcome to this giveaway. I'm not shipping it to you. But if you live on this planet, I will ship it to you one way or another. It will get there. If you're not already subscribed, please consider clicking the subscribe link down below and subscribing to the channel. Every single Monday, we have a brand new sewing tutorial. If you haven't already found me on Facebook and Instagram, please go check me out over there and give me a like, give me a follow, say, hey, I found you. I just want to let you all know how much I sincerely appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos, to comment, to send me messages, to send me pictures, to share what you're making on social media and tagging me in it. I never could have imagined that this channel would have become what it has become. I never ever could have thought that this is where we would be in just a few months. When I started the channel, I didn't know what it was going to be. I had no idea. I had no goal. I had no plan for it. I just wanted to put something out there, and I am so deeply touched by every single one of you. Thank you. Thank you for letting me be a part of your life. And thank you for loving the channel so much. I hope to keep making it better. I hope that it keeps inspiring you to sew. And I hope I can give away stuff all the freaking time because I love giving you guys stuff. All right, I'm going to let you go. Have a great week. Don't forget to sign up for the giveaway. Get out there and make something. Bye.